Hey beauties, my name is Noria and welcome back to my channel. I want to apologize if you hear any noise in the background throughout this video. My rabbit is just on a roll right now. I'm just gonna let him be. He's happy, he's not thumping, so he can keep doing whatever he wants. But in today's video, I am actually going to be going over Katari Beauty's introductory collection. So basically it's the first 5 products that were released with the brand. If you guys want more in-depth information, so like going into the ingredients themselves, definitely check out my benefit of series. I also have that link down below where I go into pretty much all the benefits of each individual product because they are all only one ingredient. So I'm going to give you a brief little rundown on what each product can be used for, and then I'm going to come back and let you guys know what I personally use mine for and just my overall thoughts on each product.
Jojoba is a cold pressed jojoba oil, and it can be used to cleanse, condition, and prime the skin, helping to retain moisture, and it helps balance out the skin's natural sebum production, helping to prevent acne breakouts, whiteheads, and other skin ailments, helping to reduce wrinkles, discoloration. It can be used on your hair. It is also a perfect carrier oil just because it allows everything to absorb better into the skin. Argile is a hypoallergenic green clay mask. It is used for detoxifying and cleansing. It's great for acne because it is naturally antibacterial. It helps remove blackheads and blemishes, deeply cleanse and detoxifies the skin and scalp, and is gentle enough to be used on sensitive skin. Roseau is pure vapor distilled rose water toner. It provides light hydrating effects, helping to reduce dryness, while primarily an astringent rose water has natural bacterial and anti-inflammatory properties, instrumental in reducing acne and redness, and help reduce pore sizes, and helps tighten the skin to prevent sagging over time. Girin is used to hydrate, revive, cool down, and tone the skin. It is a natural skin hydrator. It removes redness, skin irritation, and inflammation, and is best used after waxing, peels, or sunburns, or any procedure that might make the skin angry and irritated. And finally, we have Bari, which is a prickly pear cactus seed oil and nature's answer to Botox. It tightens and plumps the skin, reducing the appearance of wrinkles. It helps regrow fuller and stronger lashes and eyebrows. It prevents wrinkle formation through regular retinol production, reduces visibility and appearance of under eye shadows, and is an amazing moisturizer for skin, hair, cuticles, and brittle fingernails.
So I have all my products in front of me. I actually have the minis. Are these the minis? I should probably know this, but Katari Beauty does have various sizes and then various kits, which I will eventually go into. But right now I have these, and you guys saw them in the picture. These are not open for me because I still have full sizes that I'm currently using, so I didn't really want to open these to, yeah, reasons. So starting off with, I should probably have had these in order. Jojoba. I like to use this as a oil cleanser. Sometimes if I don't want to use my regular oil cleanser, I'll grab this, especially if my skin's just feeling weird. I'll grab like 4 or 5 drops of this, really massage it in, and then I like to use it sometimes to moisturize my face. So again, if I'm having a lazy skincare day, I'll just put like 1 or 2 drops by itself and or with my moisturizer. So if my moisturizer I know tends to absorb and then be like more matte, I will probably put like a few drops in here just so that doesn't happen. I also love using jojoba to use my gua sha. So between that and another oil, but we're sticking with this one for now. But I love using it for gua sha just because, one, of all the benefits that jojoba oil has, but also it does help me glide across my face a lot easier. So next, Argile. This is the French green clay. I am total lazy but skincare natural person, so I honestly don't use this as much as I should, mainly because When I do clay masks, I actually like to mix it out, put some extra stuff in it sometimes, and then apply it to my face, let it sit for a little bit. This one, you kind of only just need to put it on. It's gonna make me sound real bad. You kind of only need to put it on for like 5 minutes. So literally you could put a little bit in your hand, put a little bit of water, put it on, get in the shower, rinse it off. I don't know why that's too much for me, but I just don't, because you can use it as a cleanser. And I think it's because I have so many facial cleansers, I'm just like, I'm just gonna grab the cleanser. I'll use the mask for when I actually want to use the mask. But I am going to attempt to use it as a rinse out shampoo on my hair with these twists in the next couple of weeks. So I will be doing a video on that, so be on the lookout. But yeah, pretty much this I will just mix in with some of my other clay masks. That's kind of what I do with that one. Rosoo, my absolute favorite rose toner. This toner is what made me fall in love with the brand up until this point. No rose toners have worked for me. They always either broke me out, left my skin dry. It just had way too much stuff in it. So this has been perfect. It made me fall in love with the brand, and anytime I get a package from her, I'm just like, can you like put some extra rose toner in there please, because that's my jam. But I love spraying this like whenever I just want to refresh, or I'll use it specifically as a toner where I'll actually unscrew the top, or I guess with this one it has a cork, so I can literally pour it in on my cotton pad, do it on my face. Pretty much any time is a good time for rose toner. I like to use it to sometimes refresh my makeup when I'm filming. Yeah, this is like my go-to for everything. The other toner, the Jiren, basically skin hydrator. It's not my absolute fave, but just because I like the smell of the rose. But I have been using it as a toner, and in the morning, when my alarm goes off and I don't want to get up, I literally I have a spray version of this, and I'll put it next to my bed. When my alarm goes off, I will literally spray my face, because nothing wakes you up like just water hitting your face first thing when you wake up. So I've started to do that trick. I'll use it as a toner sometimes. If I'm running low on my rose, I'll use this one to make the rose last longer. So it's not a bad toner, I just have personal preference to the rose. Did I go over everything? Oh, and then Barre, this oil. Holy crap, this oil. A little bit of like, just as the description is, collagen in a bottle. Has so many omegas, and I will admit, it is the priciest oil on the site, but you get so much because you don't need to use that much of it. So like for this, the jar I have right now, not this one, is a little smaller. I want to say it's not even a full fluid ounce. I've had it for almost 2 years. I'm still like not even halfway through it. So this is definitely like an investment skincare thing, and if you can afford it, go for it. And if not, these other oils can be substituted, and if you can afford it, go for it. If you can't, she has other oils on her site, which I will go into detail later, because there is one that is my absolute favorite, but it wasn't part of the initial 5. But yeah, this one, if you're really looking for a nice moisturizing oil that will help with collagen production and just like anti-aging and just wound care, I know she promotes a lot that it helps with keeping tattoos vibrant. I can't speak to that just because I don't have any, but I've been seeing all the reviews and stuff on that, so it definitely is a good oil. I like to use it on days where I do what's it called? When I use my banisher, I can't remember what it's called. It's called derma roll? No, it's not derma rolling, because it's not the roller, it's the stamper one. Whatever, when I do that, basically when I'm putting like little tiny micro holes in my skin, I like to use this to really help go deep into my pores, and I always love the results afterward. My skin always feels amazing. But yeah, that is pretty much it for the Katari introductory collection. Again, I will go into more details of her other products soon. I just wanted to put this one out there because I have gotten a few questions about what each one can be used for and if you need all of them. You certainly don't. I think out of all of these, the ones I would, if I could only choose two, I'm gonna do that. If I can only choose two, I would get jojoba and Razul. Basically the rose water. Rose water is my baby. Jojoba oil. There you go. So if you're just starting off, I would say get these two, and I think she has like a smaller sample sizes that you can get on the website. So I'll have all that linked down below. If you guys didn't already know, I am a brand ambassador with Katari Beauty, but I have been using the products for I think 2 years now. I need to look back at the email and see when we initially got into contact, but I want to say it's almost 2 years, if not more longer. So I swear by these products, guys. So I'm not just giving you BS when it comes to it. So you check out my channel, my Instagram stories, you do see these pop up quite a lot. That being said, I do have a link in the description box below and a code for you guys. I don't remember how much the code gets you off. I think it's 20. That tells you how much I actually advertise my code. I normally don't when I post. I just like, hey, it's there if you want it, because I love these products so much that I just want her brand to keep being around, that I honestly forget about the code. Yes, I do make commission off of it if you use my code, but obviously I don't promote it that much, so you know I'm not making anything from it. But yeah, let me know if you guys have any questions. If you have any other Katari Beauty questions, know that I am doing the other oils, so if you have any questions about those, leave them down in the description box below and I will definitely get back to you. I think that's pretty much it. So subscribe if you haven't already. Go ahead and give that video a thumbs up, and I will see you guys next time. Bye.